What did you do with that? What did you do with that? I am getting ready now. I am getting ready now. The car is parked in the driveway. The car is parked in the driveway. We go to the supermarket on Sundays. We go to the supermarket on Sundays. Which company do you work for? Which company do you work for? What time did you arrive there? What time did you arrive there? You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Tell me how it works. Tell me how it works. What is happening here? What is happening here? It really takes time. It really takes time.